We got the tweeters installed over there with the 6.5. You can see it right there through the sunlight. And now I'm gonna do the same thing for the back. Alright, so it is currently a Saturday afternoon, and I want to just get ahead and get started on the back doors. I'm going to be installing a 6.5 here, and then a 1.5 inch tweeter here, the Alpine Type R component set. For that, I've ordered custom speaker pods that are going to go in here. It's going to look real nice, so I wanted to show you what we were kind of working with. For the custom speaker pods, I have drilled out the holes, so my 6.5s here. I think I couldn't find, or they don't have a tweeter like option. So what I did was I had one of my buddies 3D print this right here. So I'm gonna put the tweeter in there, so it'll look great like that. To remove the door panel, we got a screw over here, one behind here, and then one behind here, I believe. So I'm gonna start taking this apart. All right, so door panel is off. Let's take off the speaker though. We have both doors off now. Next step is gonna be to set up the speaker pods here. I'm gonna cut off, make a little hole right there, and clamp them together. All right, so it is currently another day. I got started on this when it was afternoon, and then got to the Sunday. So continuing here with the door speakers. So right now I have both door panels removed. I have a little bit of sound end that I'm going through right now, so I'm going to start off with that. These were the old coaxials that were in the truck from the previous owner, but you know, we got to give it a nice little upgrade here. So very excited. Right now, shout out to custom speaker pods. Now we're gonna drill the holes here so that we could get these little anchor points through. We just gotta make the hole a little bigger, so I'm just gonna wind it up here. All right, so I got the door pods drilled in. Alrighty, so we are all done now with the rear door. I mean, this pretty much does all of the doors. Probably skipped a whole bunch of parts, but I just kind of got focused and finished it up. Custom speaker pods went in. I just drilled these in. Tweeter looks beautiful, and then this is already in. I showed you before. So now we are fully rocking. It sounds really nice, real crisp, exactly what I was looking for. Let me go ahead and play a demo for you. So now the next step, now we're ready for the subwoofers. I'm slowly buying things. I'm slowly buying the materials and whatnot. Now it's just the subwoofers. So this marks the end of the speakers for now, and now we're going on to subwoofers. So real exciting. Thanks for joining.